So hello guys, I'm Shorodip Biswasot. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something crazy. So as you can see, this is a motor. So this is, guess what, whose motor? So as you can guess, this is the daycare's motor. So let me zoom out. Now some of you guys can claim, what the hell is this? So let me show you. Ivory canopy, brown down rod, ivory canopy, brown motor, ivory blade, brown deco. So this is called the mix and match of daycare. So this is my one daycare. So as you can see, there is another daycare. So this is just the opposite, with the white motor, the brown blades, the white blade decos, the brown canopies and white down rod. So let me show you like this. So as you can see, there are two fans here. So let me start the fans and show it to you. Let's start the fan. Due to the room is silent, the air cutting noise will be loud for my phone's microphone. But this is obvious because, as you know, modern phones have two mics. That's why this problem occurs. So no issues regarding that. This daycare is the most silent fan ever I have seen, and the airflow is pretty thick. It's a very thick airflow. So let me show you. So this is the airflow. This fan gives pretty thick airflow. The RPM is means the speed is very slow. Means not very slow. It's around 280 to 300 RPM. But the airflow is so thick, so thick. It's so thick airflow that there are many 320 RPM fans available in the market from Orient Electric and from other brands. Those fans will be easily defeated by this fan, this particular daycare model. So there is also another fan of high breeze 16 pole made by Crompton only. That fan will also get defeated by this fan because this fan have the same 16 pole motor but having an extra blade. So this fan will give you the maximum comfort if your ceiling height is like this, means a short ceiling height. Means I have compared with other fans like the Crompton high speed, and I feel if you have a very close, means a very the ceiling height is not very much, then this the comfort received from this daycare exceed the comfort received from Crompton high speed or whatever might you say, all the three bladed fans. So now let me show you the brown one. So now this is my brown one, brown daycare. So as you can see, this is the motor. So this is branding. So white Jacos. So let's start this fan also. So both the daycares give pretty thick airflow. Means if the camera can hear the airflow, the pressure of the air, means the pressure. If you are a very good enthusiast of fans or pumps or whatever might be, you may know that there are two things which are in a fan, any kind of fan. One is the air velocity, the second is the air pressure. So these fans have a slightly less air velocity because the speed is also slightly less. It's not a 370 RPM, it's obviously a 300 RPM. But the air pressure is very much, means the air pressure, the static pressure is very much received from these blades. So the airflow is pretty, means thick airflow. Means if the pressure is high, then you may feel the airflow is very thick. And if the fan is rotating high speed like the Crompton high speed or whatever might be the high speed fans available in the market, then in those fans a practical thing is that the fans rotate very fast. The fans air velocity is more, but the static pressure is less. So those fans will give, not every time those fans will give you comfort. Sometimes they will also make you more sweat. I have felt this kind of problems with the three bladed fans Crompton high, especially when the ceiling height is like this. Say this is a 9.5 feet room. So whatever might be, I placed the two daycares side by side just for a comparison purpose, and no worries, I will obviously put the things of the two fans whose original what means you may understand what I'm going to say. I will restore the two fans, no worries regarding this. This is not a permanent solution, this is just for a video and some experimental basis, no worries regarding that. But the Crompton's daycare is a very good fan, and if you own two daycare in a single room and if you want to do this kind of combination, you may easily go for it, no worries, no issues regarding that, because both the fans are exactly the same, so everything is interchangeable between them. So this is the what I will say daycare mixture or daycare hybrid or whatever I may say, daycare brown versus daycare ivory mixture of my fans. So what do you guys say? If you like my video, then press the like button, and if you have any comments, place it down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more crazy videos like this. So thank you guys for watching.